$5 a day doesn't sound like life changing money, right? But crazy enough, it can totally change your future. We're going to break down how saving just $5 a day, which is less than a cup of coffee nowadays, can have a massive impact. And by the end of the video, you'll see what it could lead to for you. As a quick note, this is educational, not financial advice. Most people think I'll invest later when I have extra money. The problem, though, is because of that, they never start. Because waiting doesn't grow your money, it destroys it over time. And time, well, that's the real advantage. Let's zoom out. $5 a day is about 1,825 a year. It still feels manageable. Per week, it would be about $35, about the price of eating out for one meal. And over a month, it's about $155, which is about the price of a utility bill. But investing isn't about one big move. It's about showing up over and over. Even if it's not a huge amount, it adds up quick. Similar to getting in shape, one big workout won't change your body, but doing even small exercises every day for a year would have a big impact. So, where does the money go though? Most long term investors keep it simple and invest within the US stock market, which has had around a 7 to 10% annual yield over time, diversifying across a broad set of stocks, ETFs, or index funds. But here's the part where people quit too early. At first, with saving and investing, it feels super slow, like nothing's happening. But then compounding kicks in and growth starts stacking fast. Let's put numbers on it. $5 a day for 10 years is around $18,000. But it doesn't stay 18,000, it grows. If you keep the momentum and the habit and you stretch that out over 20, 30, or 40 years, that's where the massive impact of this habit really stands out. Here's the underrated part. Starting small is an advantage. It gets you going with less pressure and risk. Just building a habit and consistency. And once the habit locks in, it can inspire you to scale it over time. For most to have this truly work, though, it needs to be automated. The reason this can help is it removes second guessing, forgetting to even do it, or even trying to time things. Just steady progress in the background. $5 a day won't make you rich overnight, but it does something more powerful. It can turn you into someone who invests, and it gives you a mindset shift. Consider subscribing for more insights on the systems and strategies people use to build wealth.